out 4 inches, and I cut it. I'm cutting it by hand. You can cut this with red and green shears, and you cut up. Then you say, well, this might be time consuming. Yeah, it is, but I don't want to cut this with a saw now, because if I hit nails and even aluminum, this is vinyl siding, but if I cut aluminum siding with a saw after this window is installed, the particles will get on here and I'll scratch it. So then you just cut through this. You can cut through that. To get a little short, the green and the red shears work pretty good for this. This would get, now that I got the green, I got this tape here. This is tie par of the original. This is our window. When this gets all said and done, I'll put another strip of window tape on here. Same thing with this. I'm just marking this out 1 by 1 with this little combination square, 4 inches. And it's a pretty good way to do it. A little slow, but it's accurate. You just got to keep going with it and keep working with it. Got to, you know, continue and keep going. So that's how we get them in there. Same deal here. Once this gets cut out, it'll get the sticky tape on top of the tie par, on top of the original tape that we put on, and on top of the window flange. And we'll keep making little videos here as we go to show you how this is taking place. Thanks for your time.